In this video, I'm going to show you how to quit Finder on your Mac. So a real quick, easy way to do this is so there's two main ways. So what you can do is make sure that you're just on your desktop, you don't have anything selected, because if you do, then you'll have different types of options coming up. So what you can do here is if your Finder is not working or you want to force quit it and relaunch it, really easy to do. So come up here to the Apple logo and come down to force quit. And what you can do is just go ahead and choose your Finder. What this is going to do is close it and relaunch it. It'll ask you to confirm, go ahead and force quit and relaunch it. There you go. It does relaunch. It doesn't actually force quit itself, but you can hard stop it, restart it, and it'll relaunch. If that isn't working, another way to do it is go up here to the right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass here, and go ahead and type in activity monitor. So we can go ahead and click that. That'll load. This is very interesting because this is going to show you throughout your entire computer what actually is running it, either on your desktop, behind your desktop, and what you can do here. There's so many things that come up. So what you can do is go up to the search bar here and type in Finder. Go ahead and select it, and then come up here to the X button here, and you'll be able to force quit it here as well, and it'll just do the same thing. So it's very easy to do, very simple to handle, to close your Finder, relaunch it, and that way it works where you want. Very simple, very simplistic, and easy to do. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.